Welcome this video introducing which the rest of emoting work and the need of a decision workspace mean people are look of creating a way to create a home office. One other is to canvas a shed into a home office. Shed are often under unity and can be transforming into a functional and comfortable workspace with a little creating and plan. We explored the process of canvas, a shed into a home office in cabin, the benefit plan, design and construction process, benefit of canvas, a shed into a home office, productivity. Home office can help your shed and productive away for the decoration of the main house. Cost effect. Canvas are shelled into a home office can be more choose effect than budget and explode or renovation any open space. Customization. You can design and build your home office to match with space need and profession. Plan and design. Such the shed. Elevate the structure of the shed in cabin, the fontaine valve, roof and door. Determinant the proposed define how you will use the home office in cabin. The type of work you will do you will need and number of people how well used to space. Create a design out a design of the home office in cabin. the layout, window, door, and electricity outerlay. Construction process. Dropping the size, clean the area around the shed in cable any decision or vegetation, inspect and repurpose the shed, inspect the shed of any determinant or route and main any need request. Install window and door. Install new window and door to provide need natural lights and or styling. Install electric. Install electric outerlay lights and poles as need. Finish and interior. Install pole. Turn operate to create a comfortable and fun train workspace. Add interior finish. Install sides. Turn or protect to process the side for the elements and enhance its aspect. Budget spec a budget and stick to its effect cost supplementary zone regulation. Choose with your locate governments that your shed elevate compost with zone resisting. Natural lights. Incorporating natural lights into the design to read the need of a static light. Conclusion. Canvas a shade into a home office can be a cost effect